Hello guys, hope everyone is safe and doing well. The recent news about Sushant Singh death left me speechless. I still couldn't come out of it. I mean, what must be going through his mind at that very moment? This incident stuck at my heart so hard that all I left with is one question. Why? What was it that left him with no option? Actually, I googled to know more about him and found many fascinating and interesting things about his life. He was someone who roams with quantum physics books and has a telescope of his own to watch moon, planets and other galaxies and talks about Saturn rings. He was always eager to learn more. He was even trying to learn to code, which I found it in his Instagram. His decision leaves me very shocked as what mattered the most in life. Why? What? What he did not have that costed his life. Not judging anyone here, but I think we forgot that we don't live in big houses. We literally live between our ears. At last, it's more important than ever to track what efforts are we taking to take care of our mental health. Actually, depression is real and it kills. As the quarantine days are getting extended, we all together fighting against ourselves, and battle is in our own mind. Battlefield is our own mind. Personally, I'm an outgoing person. Hardly I stay in my room, guys. I always love to meet new people, explore new things, knowing more about different places, weather, and all this used to keep me going and kept me excited to jump out of my bed every day. But now things have really changed. How am I tackling all these? Is a very big question mark to myself. The simplest way is to all this problem is to simply accept the situation and keep going along with it. I mean, going with the flow. When I heard Sushant death, I really wanted to speak to everyone and help, and I choose this YouTube as a medium to reach out to people to spread positivity and try my best to let them know there are few tips to keep our mental health well. I really wanted to share these tips, and if any one of these is really helping you guys, means that is the purpose of making this entire video. Number one, regular talking and video calling with your friends and family. Keep reaching out to your friends and family and sharing things which is happening in your life. How do you feel about yourself and how was the day? And second thing, sometimes when we feel no one understands us, just take a diary or notebook, start writing everything. Trust me, this helped me a lot. This has helped me as a growing child. I was very introvert. I did not trust anyone, and that's how I started writing in my diary. And when I read them now, I really laugh at them. I really enjoy reading it and about my writings. And third thing is, just start small exercises. Yes, it has an impact. Doing any small exercise has an impact over our mental health. Please start doing some small exercises like walking in the terrace, climbing staircases. It can be anything. Fourth one is journaling brings definitely a better clarity. Like, you just start writing it, you will find a better clarity. Start reading a book. If you know any suggestions for reading a book, please let me know. Go back to your childhood, guys. Figure out what did you love the most. Bring back them. Begin. Believe I tried it and it worked. Keep yourself busy. And seventh one is meditate. This may sounds like why everyone is emphasizing on meditation right now. Yes, it does have magic and miracles in it. You start with some 10 to 15 minutes initially, as simple as concentrating on your breath. Whenever thoughts wander, right, try to bring them back. This way you can train your brain to focus on one thing and a one thought, and it will help you in studies, careers to focus more. Last but not the least, be thankful and grateful for whatever you have right now. Practicing gratitude is one of the best thing to keep us going and motivated and keep us positive also. Love yourself, pamper yourself, sending endless love and positivity to each and everyone who is watching this video. Stay safe,